People, welcome back to the channel. It is your one and only Jesus. So the previous video I posted about Kanaga Jnr, like when the people went to go and welcome him from the airport, YouTube decided to limit that video, and it's heartbreaking because I tried every way possible. I re-recorded, re-edited, did a lot of things, but still each time I upload it, they kept limiting it, and it's okay. I had to just post it like that because y'all need to enjoy the moment. But one interesting thing is his first interview. They've not finished settling in Nigeria, just the first day, and they're having interviews, media rounds already. And yes, in this first media round in Nigeria, Kanaga Jnr is not holding back. First off, in one of the things he said, he was like, you know, he really feels he would have won that competition. He should have won the competition. And maybe, probably, it was because of the elections, the money scarcity, and a lot of things that happened in Nigeria. So people were more focused on their personal life than the show. And then he also was asked about something Khosi said about him. Khosi said that he was carrying the game on his head. He was carrying the Big Brother thing on his head. And he said in pidgin language that he doesn't actually care what anybody thinks about him. But of course, we know that he's mostly referring to Khosi, that he doesn't care what she thinks about him and his partner. For him, anything he sees himself in a competition or whatever, he takes it to the latter. Watch the full video.
But I think we wait the question will say, if to say not be this time we have this support for the massive to make you the winner of this first edition of Big Brother Titan.
It's possible to say I for collect that back. Because people for already direct that full attention.
The voting for man, our population not be compared to SA now. You understand? And now they carry normally all these Big Brother for head. I just like to never chop now.
Some people they talk, say some set of people they carry the group. They carry the group more for head. That's the other. And so even Khosi, yes, I think one of our Big Brother sections, she be they tell Big say, she feel say, now you they carry na group, your group with blue. So you carry them more for head. Pass. What do you feel about that sort from Khosi?
I don't get my cross to carry you. I carry my matter. I feel like everybody is free to share their own opinion on things. For me personally, if I see competition, I just fall out, make I do alright, you understand? And the parent really helped me well, and I don't really send anything to anybody to talk. Because at the end of the day, I see him play my game and everything see go well. So me and my partner really come together and everything just solves for us.
Okay, like in total, how much you win now? Because I even win the final arena game. How much in total you win?
I don't know, but I know it's
but your money pass it, you not pass the one when Khosi win.
I know, you don't pass, but we see
it plenty, right? Okay, back to KJ right now. How you go describe your stay for the house and your relationship with your fellow guys and the opposite sex? How you go different?
I really enjoy my stay. I feel like one thing I do and know see one way or the other, even if everybody come back on, I just say I connect and I touch people one way or the other.
You touch people?
No, I inspire people one way or the other. That's why you go out the talk, you go out the dress, you go out the carry myself. You know, I get one or two hours maybe we just come and say, bro, I like the way you party. So my relationship with my fellow guys. Now I just say on my own ends everywhere you go, my guys. You know.
So you don't get one way to say no after this as career lens I don't get anything. Nothing concern you.
About me, I don't know.
No bad blood.
No bad blood. If you carry anything, are you?
What about the babes?
The babes, we connect. I talk to people. You know, I understand people.
Yeah, that's it. Blend well. So
yeah, me and Tati, we blend. I understand.
How you go say which level now reach for a blend? How you go find that level?
We just.
No, we see a lot of things now. Just say so. Let us that camera they do like this. So we just want to
not this boy now. About we dey inside, we don't feel hide. You know, we just read them to say we understand ourselves and you know say we want take time everything. So right now everybody just dey on good terms and no bad blood.
So let me still concerning that thing now. That time where you say, you know, say it is shocking say person where you feel say you dey in a relationship or you like. You can't they put your name up from the relation. They put your name up from the relation. So for you, those times where you say she put up your name from the relation, how you feel?
I don't even know what it is so but inside I heard this, because as everybody they go inside, go nominate, and so many go inside.
But she don't come as a say, oh, you jump one put your you feel any type of way?
No, I don't move because me say my people
Up to
because I can't go play my game and everybody say carry on game. So
but before we wrap up this Tsatsi matter right now, outside of the house, you not see you and Tsatsi they do anything.
right now everybody just is in the tribe and that and so I'm young, so that's his fault.
Nothing spoiled.
Alright, sorry to cut you short in Canada. During the house, now do Kanaga fashion show, something like that, yeah? So how you take, bring everybody together to do such a wonderful show? Because I watch the dressing of each of the housemates, I thought the one that said, this guy don't do something like this outside the house before he enter inside the house.
I never run any fashion show before. Even myself, I never model like on a big platform before.
Wow.
But coming outside, I don't see dogs go open, I go model, I go run.
So you go look into that same area right now.
Yeah. So I just pack all my things, carry my bag. Everybody wanna see why this guy will bring this kind of bag.
You know what to carry it
I know where to carry me come. I want to sell my market. You understand? So I just speak to you. I follow you on those for more reason. I won't run one fashion on this. Now me, Yvonne and Yemi suppose run now, but Yemi can't pull that song.
Yeah.
Everything come buzz. I want to say more that same faith, that ginger, I might see run now. So Saturday we run people come, I follow Nana talk, follow the model stuff. Thabang say one way everything I make, just one way everything I make. So the housemate just you get what that sport, even if they don't too like me, but Kanaga, I go run out, you understand? So everybody just comes together, we cooperate, and we just everywhere does stuff.
So if possible, say in the nearest future right now, we see like Kanaga Jnr fashion line, right?
It's short, where you don't see him go wrong way.
So just before we move to right now, so your guys when they bid before now come up body competition, right? They mention you and Tsatsi name as the highest user of condom inside the house. And we just say if you now come here, we will ask you, maybe you clear am because now the calculation they do since then. Almost like 6 of them when they come here at different times, Wednesday and Thursday, they will say that you and Tsatsi now get suspect pass the use condom. So I want me to clear that right now. So I won't know.
Now only thief they know thief. Thief will make you calculate condom. Say you use condom. Me later I know you say you use condom for house.
Now about it.
Yes. I don't use direct. I don't know what you talk, but the thing is, one thing one thing for sure, say people will get different narratives about shit, right? But
who did the suspect say tell us these things?
Everybody if you talk that talk.
Because you and now really close, sometimes if like people up now see the
we did because we gather there.
Okay.
Understand? But anybody who want to talk, everybody gets.
So now we say they disclaim the person and you get the highest number of
whether na me get them or no.
You just say now they get their own say.
Everybody get
their own say. For you now who you suspect you fantastic?
I don't know. Because you go calculate that.